Craiceann Bodhrán drum usually has something to do with an ongoing project or with a special model or with a new model or with an anniversary of a drum model which we had last year with the RWE. But this year it has to do something with the current situation in the world with all this war and hate and stuff like that, all the shite. And at the beginning of this year, I was thinking, what could we do with our team? And I mean, with Stevie Moises, the tipper maker, and with Rolf, our online shopkeeper, we have a 3-piece team, and we do pretty much every development and stuff like that together. So we were thinking, what could we do to do a bit of thing against this whole stuff and do a bit of colorful or bright thing against all this stuff. And I did a bit of research in the internet and came up with this lovely rainbow veneer, and I said, that's a good sign for all against this fascism and all this ignorance and stuff like that. And so this is part of our so-called UnitHED project. You know, everything with this guy needs to be something with HED. And so it's UnitHED. Rolf will explain that a bit closer soon. But so I put this veneer on this drum, and to get the whole thing rounded up, I put all the flags of this year's people coming from all over the world. So kind of sign as well, come together, united. And go on. Is it really true that there's no one from Norway here? Yeah? No, you're wrong, this guy here is from Norway. So that's a Norwegian reindeer head, and it's the first one I ever tried. So the winner of this raffle drum will also be a test driver. So, please welcome me with me here, Rolf, our Mr. Online Shop. He called it Mr. Tiny, and Mr. Tipper Maker. And Rolf will explain a bit closer the United, because he's the better English speaker.
Well, he said most of what we were thinking, so I'm not sure what I'm going to say. The rainbow colors obviously stand for a lot of things, and we, the three of us, felt that what's going on in the world right now, in many countries, including Germany, is something we don't like, and we always looked at our business from a business point of view and never had any political stances. But maybe it was the right time for us anyway to stand up for something and say what we think about it. And the result. We all think that whatever in different countries is going on with ignorance, as he called it, or with people speaking up against whatever form of religion is wrong. Simple as that. Say it clear. We stand for freedom of speech and all these things. We made a website about it. It's on my side on bodhraninfo.de. There's a United section. We then decided we'll have a chance with this veneer to have a colorful expression of our feelings, and those drums resulted of it. There is different ways of getting drums with this design, but not only drums, also tippers and this colorful rainbow design. And Stevie is making a couple of them. We have stands and stuff in that design, and they're all united on the UnitHED website. So if you want to share the feeling, the easiest way to do that is I made a few stickers, and they're over in the shop, and they just have the UnitHED logo and a bit of a rainbow design. And then whatever, if you like the design, then there's more options there. That's all really. Thanks for giving us the opportunity to speak up here, Cormac, and all the team. And thanks, Cormac, for inviting me back again. It's a pleasure to be back again. So here we go.